Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Japanese egg sandwiches in 5 minutes. If you are a busy mom like me, or if you wanted to serve it as soon as possible, there's a trick to make it in 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started.
今日は卵サンドを作ります。
Here are the ingredients. You need 2 eggs, mix in 2 teaspoons of water, microwave for a minute and mix well.
Ebi
エビみたいだ。エビじゃない。
いただきます。
違う、エビじゃないよ。
なんでエビじゃないの？これエビの形してるけど。
Again, microwave for 30 seconds. Now crumble it. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We decided to add tartar sauce, but this is optional. Mix well. Check the flavor and season with salt and pepper. Ham slices are optional again. Spread the egg mixture on a slice of bread. Top with another slice of bread. And now it's done.
ちょっと味見しちゃおうか。
いいよ。
皆さんも作ってくださいね。バイバイ。ホームページやって。
何？ホームページ？ホームページ。いただきます。
おいしい？
おいしい。